Yeah, we are going to see some word problems from real numbers using HCF and LCM. The traffic lights at three different road crossings change after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time they will change? See, for these problems, first you take some two small numbers to find out whether HCF or LCM. So take one traffic light will change after 4 seconds and another traffic light will change after 6 seconds. So at what time they will change together? So for this, if you say it, you will get the answer easily after 12 minutes. So how 12 will come? When we take LCM of 4 and 6, 12 will come. The same way you have to take LCM of 48, 72 and 108. Now going to the next slide to show how we have taken LCM, and we have taken LCM. Here you see we have taken LCM 6, 9, 27 up to that usual, then divide by 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, then divided by 3. See, you see this 2 will not go in 3 table, right, as such. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, then in 3 table 2 will not go, right, as such. 1 will not go, right, as such. 3 1s are 3, then 2 table 2 1s are 2, 1 1. So we have taken LCM. Now we have to multiply all these to get LCM. Now when we multiply, we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. We get 432 seconds. This 432 seconds, we have to make it into minute. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So 432 seconds equal to 760s are 420. So 432 minus 420 will get 12. So 7 minutes 12 seconds. So 3 traffic lights simultaneously change after 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So they will change at what time? 7 hour, 7 minutes, 12 seconds. Again, now going to the next one. In a seminar, the number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60, 84 and 108 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being the same subject. To find out the answer, we have to take HCF of 60, 84 and 108, and we will use long division method. First take two numbers 60 and 84. When we take 60 and 84, 84 should be a dividend and 60 should be the divisor. 160s are 60, 84 minus 60 you will get 24. Then bring this divisor as dividend again. So 60 will be dividend and 24 will be the divisor. 2 24s are 48. Subtract will get 12. And bring that 24 here. 2 12s are 24. Now use 108 and 12. You can easily tell that 9 12s are 108. So what is that? HCF will be 12. See, HCF of 60, 84 and 108 is 12. Number of rooms required for 60 Hindi students. One room contains 12 students. Then for 60 Hindi students, they need 5 rooms. In the same way, for 84 English students, they need 7 rooms. So for 108 max students, they need 9 rooms. So totally they have to have 21 rooms to accommodate all the 3 subject participants. Now going to the next one. Show that 12 power n cannot end with the digit 0 or 5 for any natural number. So prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3, right? So if the number to end with 0 or 5, so you take 0 means you take 10. What is the prime factor of 10? 2 and 5. And if the number to end with 5 means you take 25. What is the prime factor of 25? 5 5s are 25. So here you see, if a number to end with the digit 0 or 5, the prime factor of the number should contain 2 and 5. But the prime factor of 12 contains only 2 and 3. According to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, for any natural number n, 12 power n cannot end with 0 or 5. Now going to the next one, this problem is very important. You just solve a similar problem from the various books. Okay, now going to the next one, y explain 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. So for taking this, you take this, you see, you take 13 outside. When you take 13 outside, you will get 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into, this 13 will become 1 plus 1. So this will become 13 into some number equal to given number. You see, what is a prime number? A prime number should have 1 and the number itself as its factor. So the given number has 1 and the given number as its factor. Other than that 1 and the given number, it has 13 is also its factor. So for the above number, 13 is a factor. As the given number has 13 as a factor, it is a composite number. Now going to the next one, see ma, this is quick revision of the real number chapter. The problems given here are examples only. Practice more problem of this type to get thorough with the problems of this type which is explained in this video. Other than this video, you watch root 5 is irrational, terminating and non-terminating decimals, and then revision number 1 in real numbers also you watch. Okay, and you have to practice the similar problems in the above two topics also. Thank you all.